matibabu ya dharura.
Jodito mopogore opogore mawuok e gwenge ma KISII kod riwruoge ma ok mag piny owacho medo kwayo piny owacho mondo mi maino somb nyithindo mantiere gi dwaro makende mar somo ka giloso e skul machiwo puonj makende ne jopuonjre mong'ere kaka Giashere Special School. Giwacho ni skunde e rang'eny ma kamano jayudo achiedh nade mathoth moriwo achiedh nade mag buge mag somo kaachiel gi koso yudo gedo malong'o. Kata kamano, jonyuol e kor gwenge bende okwa mondo kik jwang' nyithindo manitiere kod ng'ol.
Today, we specifically came to this school because it is one of the neglected populations because they have hearing impairment. So we are here today and we are happy to interact with the learners. Most of the challenges that they face is that they are not represented well in the country. And I'm going to talk about public facilities like hospitals. We do not have people that actually understand them or interpret whatever they are saying.
It's a fun day really to interact with them because, you know, they are not, per se, lack of a better word, taken care of that well. But yeah, generally we are here, we support them, we show them love, we share with them love, and you know, we tell them that they are part of us, that they are part of the community.
On behalf of the students, the teaching staff, and the non-teaching staff, I want to say a very big thank you, because we have now been known far and wide, and we feel that the awareness we've been yearning for has been created today. Going forward, I want to ask that more doors be opened, and let this not be the last time we are doing something like